At WeWork, it's not so much a matter of a single shift in strategy. It's really an evolution, a constant fluid evolution of strategy. What we've seen most recently, for example, is this rising trend of mid-market and enterprise companies starting to come into WeWork, using it as a platform that gives them flexibility and lets them plug into a culture that helps with their talent acquisition and retention goals. So strategy is kind of always in process for us.
So our strategy is, it's pretty simple. It's a tech transformation where we're totally doing a technology overhaul so that we can mine data, we can stay up to speed and up to date with trends so that our economists and all of our data entry can relate or translate to the best reporting possible, and that we can actually dissect and analyze our insurance book as well. With respect to innovation, in September of 2016, we started an innovation fund, which is to support the creation of affordable housing. The project has to be innovative in design or in financing to apply for this fund.
So my company is a new company, and our company has been created in response to all of the changes that are happening, the inflow of global capital, as an example, into our housing market. We are focusing on creating affordable rental housing precisely because housing needs to be provided in a whole new way. The model that we've embraced, which is focused primarily on the private sector providing housing for everyone in our society, simply hasn't worked. And we're in a situation right now, particularly in Vancouver and in Toronto, where the whole housing ecosystem is on the cusp of significant destabilization, simply because there's a disconnect between the cost of housing and how much people earn. So creative housing is about providing housing in a new way. It's about saying, hold on a minute, let's take private capital and use private capital in order to deliver nonprofit housing that will stay at an affordable rate at key locations on transit. Let's make that housing green. Let's incorporate district energy. Let's design multi-residential housing that is primarily for families. So this is a fundamental new way. It's a disruption to the housing industry that's based on the need for innovation.
Sure. I mean, Uber is evolving. So a couple of years ago, Uber was really all about hailing a car. That's how you got from point A to point B. Today, Uber is shifting to a multimodal platform where you can use Uber to hail an e-bike, you can use Uber to hail a car, and you can use Uber to hail a car which you can use for car sharing. So it's really all about providing people with access to different modes of transportation to suit all of their needs.